Hey guys, we have here our Toyota Corolla, and in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the front turn signal bulb. So the first thing you have to do is open up the hood, and we do this by pulling on this lever here on the driver's side. Just pull on it once and that will unlock the hood. So now we can go to the front, and then we put our hand into that gap that opened up right on top of the Toyota emblem here, and you will find a small lever and you have to push that up just a little bit, and then the hood will release and we can lift this up. So you can see here, that's what that lever looks like. And just when you pull it up just a little bit, then you can lift up the hood. Okay, so this is here the position of the light bulb for the turning signal. This is here the passenger side, but it works exactly the same way for the driver's side as well. And you see here this harness right on top, the topmost harness, that's the one for the turn signal. And you see here this little connector. We rotate this counterclockwise by about 1/8 of a turn, and then we can pull out the socket that holds the bulb in place. So now we can remove the defective bulb by just pulling it out. See, just like this. It's a little bit tricky. This can be stuck a little bit. And then the new bulb that we need is of type 12V28/8W. In case you can't find that locally, then you can also alternatively get the 7444. That's going to fit as well. And so now we can install the new bulb by just pushing it right into the socket, and then already install here the socket back into this hole here. Remember to twist this here clockwise now by about 1/8 of a turn. You should feel a little bit resistance there. And then we're already done, and we can close up the hood. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions, then leave a message below.